$20 trillion. That's the total value of America's pensions and 401ks in 2025. Enough to buy every stock on the S&P 500 4 times over. But here's what they don't tell you. It's not your money anymore. It's collateral. Today we unmask the pension system. From the 1935 promise that was never kept, to the 1978 switch that transferred the risk to you, to the $7 trillion hole growing in plain sight. We'll name the players who profit when it collapses, and give you 7 sovereign moves to protect your future before the sand runs out. Let's go back. 1935, the Social Security Act. The promise, work hard, retire safe. Companies offered defined benefit pensions. You get a check for life. But by the 1970s, corporations hated the liability. Enter Section 401k. 1978. A loophole in the tax code, sold as employee choice. Receipt. In 1980, only 18% of workers had 401ks. By 2000, 68%. By 2025, 0 major companies offer traditional pensions to new hires. The switch was never about freedom. It was about risk transfer. From balance sheet to your shoulders. Pension funds have a math problem. They promise 7 to 8% annual returns to stay solvent. But bonds pay 2%. Stocks? Volatile. So where do they go? Private credit. Receipts. CalPERS, $46 billion in private markets, 2025 annual report. New York State Common Retirement Fund, $34 billion. Teachers' funds in Texas, Florida, $22 billion combined. These aren't loans to Apple. They're 12 to 15% interest to over-leveraged firms. Firms that can't get bank loans. Zombie companies. And when defaults hit, the fund managers still get 2% plus 20% carry. You get the loss. Public pensions are a slow-motion disaster. Total promised $4.2 trillion. Total funded $3.1 trillion. Shortfall $7 trillion. Moody's 2025. Let's name names. Illinois owes $142 billion. Funded ratio 39%. Debt to GDP 140%. Politicians skipped payments for 20 years. New Jersey, Chris Christie raided the fund for budget gimmicks. Now owes $90 billion. Funded 33%. Kentucky, Teachers Fund, 12% funded. Yes, 12%. Receipt. The average public pension assumes 7.2% returns. But the last 10 years? 4.8% after fees. The gap compounds. Every year, the hole grows by $300 billion. Now, the dark truth. Step 1. Pension funds chase yield, pour $300+ billion into private credit. Step 2. Private credit lends to zombie firms. Step 3. Defaults rise, pension values crash. Step 4. Wealth transfer. Who wins? Blackstone manages $130 billion in credit. 2024 revenue, $2.1 billion in fees. Stock up 42% since 2023. Apollo, $110 billion bought Yahoo for pennies after pension-backed loans defaulted. State Street, BlackRock custodians. Charge 0.05% to safekeep your 401k. On $9 trillion, that's $4.5 billion a year. Conspiracy-adjacent truth. In 2008, pension losses funded TARP bailouts. In 2023 SVB collapse, private credit funds bought assets at 30 cents on the dollar. Pattern: when pensions bleed, someone buys the dip. With your future as collateral, you're not powerless. Here's your 7-move playbook. Move 1, audit your exposure, log into your 401k. Search alternative investments, private credit, illiquid. If over 10%, reduce. Move 2, escape target date traps, roll to a self-directed IRA. Use Vanguard Total Stock, VTI, or Schwab S&P 500, SWPPX. Fees under DOPIO 4%. Move 3, build a cash moat, 12-24 months expenses in high-yield savings. Current rate 4.6%, Ali Marcus. Beats pension guarantees. Move 4, own real assets, Good 10% in physical gold, self-custodied, or REITs, VNQ. Inflation-proof, seizure-resistant. Move 5. Pressure the system, email your state rep. Show the real pension math, no more fantasy returns. Join fixthedebt.org or local watchdog groups. Move 6. Opt out of auto-enrollment new hires. Decline the 401k if match is weak. Invest in taxable brokerage instead. You control liquidity. Move 7. Build a parallel plan, start a side income stream. $500 a month in a Roth IRA at age 30 yields $1.2 million by 65. No pension needed. These aren't hacks. They're sovereignty. 20 trillion isn't just a number. It's your time, your work, your future, weaponized. The system wants you compliant. We want you sovereign. Subscribe. Share this with one person still asleep. Comment below, pension or 401k, which are you auditing today? Next week, CBDCs, the final lock on your money. Money unmasked. Clarity is the only real currency.